Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kayeng dorbar jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council haka arp santarik unaitung arjar khat khandai da ka wei gasur kala priang bat kala munjur ya ka jingpen kala thamai ya ka ain ban te la kam ya ka khai pateng ki barjala haka jala ya ka balatip kum ka United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Trading by Non-Tribals Rules khat khandai spa sanphu khandai ka KHD simenta kan sapha sha ka sarkar ya kani ka ain bathamai bat kan sapha shaulat ka jala khnang bo un shan muhor ya kani ka jingpen kala thamai ya kani ka ain ya kani ka jingpen kala thamai ya kani ka ain lawan ra hapo ka yeng dorbar dau executive member jongkatanat khayi uba Paul lengdo hadien baladep menjur da ka executive committee namartang hadien ba u la shimti ya kani ka tanat ulalap bamenta la hnri post nem lenter la shupentre kambet da ka tai ka ain barim ka bam ya hap shu kat kum ka jingya bat ka jingkala jong ka por kum ta leng ba kani ka ain bathamai kandang pentlan shu ya ka district council ban perking ya ka jing I trading license bat kum juru kan wanra ya ka jing yo nong ya ka council na ka jing lum khajna namar menta ya ki bamshim la siu khajna hadu license nem terru on penduk bet ya ka trading license.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to move that Khasi Hills Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribals Rules 2019 now take into consideration clause by clause.
Motion moved is that the Council of Clause 6, Trading by Non-Tribals Rule 2019 be now taken into consideration clause by clause. Since there are no amendment in charge, and move clause 2 to clause 45, along with their class and second schedule, annex therefore of the rules at the same time.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to move that clause 2, clause 35, along with first and second schedules, annex the of the rules to stand part of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribals Rules 2019.
Motion moved is that the clause 2 clause 45 along with the first, second schedule, annex therefore of the rules to stand part of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribals Rule 2019. Are you able to vote? So clause 2 clause 45 along with the first and second schedule, annex therefore of the rules are now under the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribals Rule 2019. This will for the short title extend the commencement of the rules.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to move that the short title extend and commencement of the rules to stand part of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribals Rules 2019.
Motion moved that the short title extend and commencement of the rule to stand part of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribals Rule 2019. Are you again? So the short title extend and commencement of the rules are now part of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribals Rule 2019. This book will pass on the rules.